I got something funny to show you. Then we might get some Disney infinity.
I'm Toe. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Belly eater, belly eater.
Eat my wiener, eat my wiener. No! Don't trim it.
Cut it.
Ow! So instead of doing a Disney infinity video, since we can't, because the setup is the worst. Well, my setup that I set up is not the worst, but like only if you guys wanted just a face cam of us playing a game, then it's a good setup. Come on, Lou, we got to. Let's call this video funny cat things.
Shopkins.
Now you guys have to look at the fuzz balls. Oh no, we replaced our kitty. Told you. We replaced our kitty with this little kitty. See you, kitty. Look how teeny. It's so cute. Just kidding. JK, we still have it. Let me heal it. Let me hold it. No.
Wait, what if you let it go?
Let it go.
No!
Wait, watch this.
It's good.
Let it go. Let it go. Oops. Yeah, I'm dancing. Oops. Eat my wiener. Eat my wiener. Rock-a-bye, baby, to the sweet times. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock.
When the wind blows,
You guys want to see?
cradle.
You guys want to see a cat wiener? That's a girl. Wiener.
Ooh.
Wiener. Ah! Uh-oh.
Please do not do this to your cat at home.
No, don't do that to it.
And stand on your head.
Ow!
Wait, how did it go under the bed?
Ouch! It scratched me.
Wait, did it go downstairs?
Here it is.
Come here, Kitty. Get it.
Wait, look, I have something funny. Oh, my dinosaur! Run away!
I'm glad.
Wait for a move, Lou. Move, Lou. I'm gonna cut it till you move. Hi! My name is Miss Nettle. Well, actually, I'm a mister, but I eat cats.
Ah!
I eat cats.
Wait, I got pee though. In your mouth. No poop real quick.
I'm gonna pee in your wiener.
Wait, how is that possible?
Oh, I eat cats. Oh.
Wait, is it actually dead?
Wait, is it dead?
It's not blinking.
Oh, there it is. Lego.
Hey, get it. Let go. Let go. Like, let's go. Let go.
I don't get it. And you're gonna break the tablet anyways. You guys are so dumb. We better stop that.
Let go. Let go.
Stop now.
But I hate dinosaurs.
He's disguising as a bunny, guys. You guys don't see this, but it's like the cat thinks it's a bunny when I go in.
No.
Oh hi, I'm Mr. Bunny Guy.
Yeah. Oh. Wait, you got sharp teeth, and I know you got that. You're not trying to.
Just cover my teeth up. Hi, I'm done. And why are you Why are you barking in your cat? You're barking as a cat. Why is it barking? Bark.
Come here. You want to fight? You guys want to fight?
Oh, some fresh zebra. Guys, I came back with some fresh zebra.
Yeah. Wait.
Cut it.
Come on, dinosaur. Dinosaur. I'm gonna be friends.
Okay. Wait, can I hold it for a second, Lou?
Wait, I gotta do something. Here, do it real quick.
Oh, so you want to be my friend?
Yeah. Yay!
Let me hold this.
Wait, is that me and Papa are leaving?
No, our car's. Oh! Shopkin, Shopkin! Wait, watch this. Shopkin, Shopkin! I'm holding it. I'm holding it. Fro, I'm holding it. Whee! Go back. Fro, stop.
Let's see what it does to the gate. Let me see if it like escapes.
That's about all the time we have for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Goodbye. Bye. Did you guys stay or did you leave? Leave in the comments below if you stayed or left. Just wanted to give you a little play thing. You guys, leave in the comments below if you stayed or left. And there's Lou in the background. I tricked them to see if they'd leave or stay in the game, in the video. We have a Raticate, which I don't like Raticate because he's dumb. We also have, what is it? More like, 1 second. So I have our Lego chest.
You're not sleeping here with us! Yeah!
We also have this. We have this. This.
We found a raw frog in the room.
Actually, it's fake. See? Fake.
Don't want to mess with me. What? Ooh, I scratch you and make your face bleed to death.
Then let me see you. Wait, Phil.
And I'll squeeze your wiener.
Phil.
I'll squeeze your wiener so you pee your pants. Hey guys, it's Blue Cam right now. Say hi to Papa.
Hi.
And then Nina. Hello, Papa, whatever.
You're going to be on YouTube.
Shy! Can't forget about her.
Could you give me a hug?
Just okay. What you drinking?
Oh my gosh. We have to do a video of this, Lou.
Look.
Shy meets cat.
Yep. So yeah. Sorry. There's our computer.
She's gonna dance. Ready?
So,
Dance! Look at his tail. Putting his tail on his wiener.
2 more weeks until school starts, so we won't be able to be vlogging that much when school starts. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry if this makes you dizzy, guys. I don't want to get the camera. You don't know how dizzy I am, but I'm trying not to drop the camera. So yeah, I am basically. Oh, let's turn the lights. Turn on the lights. Look at it, isn't it neat? Now you can see us better than feet. Trying to rhyme. Yeah. That's the real me if you didn't see me. I'm in my jammies. So next time, go check out my real outfit that was really cute today. Puppy artist. Put you in the freezer. Freezer. That is our freezer. Oh, there we go. Light on. I'll see you back upstairs. I don't want to go back upstairs. How about we go show you something? Wait, I forgot. Allie left. Bazooka's not here. Nunya.
Business.
That's not a nice way to talk to your grandmother.
Or is this nicer than that? Ooga, 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 ooga. Bye, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like, share this,
No, get away!
and subscribe.
Just looking at him.
Bye.